Hello there, boys and girls. We are going to count. Smurfette, what is it? Let's count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to sing this song. Let's do the number Roomba, Let's do the number Roomba, yeah, Let's do the number Roomba, Number Roomba all day long, yeah. Number Roomba all day long. Rhythm. Let's do the number Roomba, yeah. Let's do the number Roomba, yeah. Let's do the number Roomba, Number Roomba all day long, yeah. Number Roomba all day long, yeah. Alright, so now we're going to sing the song. Number one is driving by. Vroom, number one, vroom, vroom, number one all day long. Beep, beep. Remember to blow your horns. Number two is driving by. Beep, number two all day long. Beep, beep. Number three is driving by. Beep, number three, beep, beep, number three all day long. Number four is driving by. Boop, number four all day long. Beep, beep. Number five is driving by. Beep. Number five all day long. Beep, beep. Number six is driving by. Beep. Number six all day long. Beep, beep. Number seven is driving by. Beep. Number seven all day long. Beep, beep. Number eight is driving by. Beep. Number eight all day long. Beep, beep. Number nine is driving by. Number nine all day long. Beep, beep. Number ten, thank God we're at the end. Number ten all day long. Beep, beep. Now that we have counted from 1 to 10, we're going to jump. Are you ready to jump, boys and girls? Let me put away my chair. And I have on my socks and I'm ready to jump. Are you ready to jump with me, boys and girls? Let's go. Stand on your feet and let's go. So, you're going to lift one foot up. I want to jump on the right foot. 1 foot up and let's go. 1. Woo-hoo. 2. Chaka, chaka, chaka. 3. Boom, chaka, chaka. 4. Rubber, rubber, rubber. 5. Shake it, shake it, shake it. 6. Oh, you can do this. 7. We're getting closer. 8. A little closer. 9. Woo! Almost there. And 10. Give yourself a big clap. So we're going to count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give yourself a big clap. So we love to count. High five, Smurfette. We did it. All right. So